Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix a volume key not working on your keyboard of your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you are also facing such type of issue, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is restart your system. This should be first and initial workaround. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve various major or minor issue of your Windows system. So you must restart your system and check whether your volume key working or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose device manager. In device manager, go to the keyboard section, scroll down and expand keyboard driver section. Right click on your keyboard driver and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. And let the window complete the updating process. After that, check volume key of your Windows 11 and 10 keyboard working or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on the start button, choose settings. Here from the left side, go to time and language. Here from the right side, scroll down and click on typing, and here scroll down and choose advanced keyboard settings, and here override for default input method. Make sure that use language list recommended is duly set under override for default input method. So make sure that use language list recommended is set here, and after that check whether your volume key working or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on the start button and choose device manager. Open device manager again, and here from the available driver list, expand keyboard driver, select your keyboard driver and right click on it and choose properties. Here from the top menu bar, go to power management and make sure that allow this device to wake the computer is duly checked. If you found it unchecked, then make the check against this option and click on OK from the bottom of the page and check whether your volume key working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of such type of work error. So go to settings and from the left side, go to Windows Update, and from the right side click on check for updates or any other pending action required against any Windows latest update, then fulfill them. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of various type of keyboard related issue appeared, so you must thereafter go to advanced options and here choose optional updates, and if any optional updates available, download and install it in your system. After that, your volume key not working error definitely be resolved.